Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 11. If you have any doubts in Max questions, you can just ask me in the comment section so that I can make a video on it and upload it as soon as possible. I hope this will be very helpful for you in your studies. Here is the 11th question. In the given figure, they have given a figure and they have named as A, B, C, D, and from this figure they have given some data. AD is equal to 13 centimeter, BC is equal to 12 centimeter, AB is equal to 3 centimeter, and angle ACD is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Find the length of the DC. Here they have given a two triangles and both are right angled triangle, because you can see a small square over here, right? That which indicates that it is a right angled triangle. Even this is a right angled triangle. Look over here, there is a angle, so this square is indicated. If the particular angle at B is 90 degree, then you can find a small square over there, right? So let's write down the given data. According to the given data over here, I'm going to write a given data as well as in the diagram. So angle ACD and ABC, that is ACD is 90 degree and ABC is also 90 degree, right? This is from the given data itself we are writing, nothing more. AD is equal to 13 centimeter, that is A to D. This is hypothesis, that is AD is 13 centimeter. BC is equal to 12 centimeter. Here they have given BC is equal to 12 centimeter, that is B to C is 12 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter. Look here, A to B is 3 centimeter. And we need to find DC, that is this part. DC is equal to how much, right? Now to get this value, can we able to find out directly by taking this right angle triangle? Is it possible to do that? Just think of it, because see, you know the value of hypothesis and you don't know the value of this side, and AC, even this value is not given over here, right? If you know the value of this one side and the hypothesis, then you can easily find it out, right, of this right angle triangle. But here this AC value is missing, so what we have to do is, first we need to find out AC, right? We need to find out the value of AC. But how to find it out? See, there is another right angled triangle towards the down. Here they have given this side length and even this side length, and we need to find only the hypothesis. This is the hypothesis, because see, there is an angle just opposite to this 90 degrees, always hypothesis. That's why I called it as hypothesis, right? This is the way to identify hypothesis if they have given this kind of diagram, right? So this is the hypothesis. So I hope if we consider the right angle triangle ABC, then we can find out this AC. Then later on, when you get this value, it is easy to find the value of DC from this, right? I hope it's very clear why we are going to find this AC by taking this part. According to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square should be written first. This is the hypothesis. Hypothesis should be written here is equal to the square of the sum of two sides, right? That is AB square plus BC square. Now we don't know AC square, so just write down AC square as it is. AB, what is AB? 3 square plus BC is 12 centimeter. BC or CB, both are same. So 12 square. Now just 3 square, what does it mean is 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 12 12s are 144. Just add it, you will get AC square is equal to 153. So here we are not going to find out AC. We are just going to leave it as it is, that is AC square. Because even if you take the square root, for removing this square, you can just place a square root on the top, right? For this 153. Square root of 153, you will get it in a decimal point, right? And again you need to, while finding this part, again you need to multiply them both. So we can just keep this as it is, because for finding out this also you need to find out AC square. Anyhow you need AC square, right? That is AD square plus DC square plus AC square, right? So because while solving this to find out DC, we need AC square. So I'm not going to take a square root of this 153 and I'm going to keep it as it is, right? Even if you take the square root, again for this, while solving this AC, right? For solving DC, sorry, for solving DC, again you need to find out AC square. So at that time anyhow you need to double it, right? So instead of that, to make our work and problem easier, I'm going to just keep this AC square as it is. So AC square is equal to 153 centimeter. Now you will clearly understand why I have left it off with this AC square instead of finding out AC. See, we got the AC square value, right? So here, now if you consider this right angle triangle, right? For finding out this DC, now you are having this length as well as AD length, right? When you are having two length, and you can easily find out the third one, right? So from this, which is hypothesis, AD is hypothesis, right? So AD square is equal to DC square plus AC square. Again you need to find AC square over here. This is the reason I have left it off without finding the square root of 153, right? So AD square is 13. AD is 13. So 13 square is equal to DC square plus AC square is 135. I have directly substituted 135 over here. Instead of taking a square root and again finding out AC value, again here you need to multiply it again. This 153, you will get it in decimal point. Even if you take square root of 153, you will get it in decimal point. So this is one of the easiest way. So 13 square means 13 into 13, that is 169 is equal to DC square plus 153. Now you need to find the DC square value. So keep that DC square on the one side of the equal to and get the remaining numbers, that is 153. You are having only one integer, so get it on the either side. It becomes minus 153. One is having positive value, other is having negative value. So put the bigger number sign, that is 169. What is the bigger number? And its sign is plus, so put the plus sign and subtract it. You will get 16 is equal to DC square. Here you need to find only DC, right? So you need to remove this square. For removing this square, you need to do a square root for 16, right? So 4 4s are 16. That's what we got 4. So the length of DC, this value is 4. I hope you understood this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Stay tuned to Max Made Easy. Check the description box, the links for Pythagoras Theorem. Thank you.